In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and cancel a recurring appointment using the Booksy platform. Navigating this online scheduling system can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized, so let's go over each step to make sure you know exactly what to do. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Booksy website. This platform is where you'll manage everything related to your appointments. Once there, you'll need to log in. You can do this by entering your email or phone number along with your password. If you've forgotten any of these details, there's usually an option available to reset your password or retrieve your login information, so don't worry about getting locked out. Once you're logged in, your attention should be directed to the dashboard. Now, on your dashboard, you have several options to choose from, but for our purposes, focus on finding either the Calendar or Appointments tab. Clicking on either of these will present you with a comprehensive view of all your scheduled appointments. This could be in a list form or a calendar layout, depending on your personal settings and preferences. The next step is to find the specific recurring appointment you'd like to cancel. These appointments are typically easy to spot. They often have a repeating icon next to them or are labeled as recurring. This feature is going to help you quickly differentiate between one-off appointments and those that occur on a regular basis. Once you've identified the correct appointment, it's time to take action. Click on the appointment in question. Doing so should trigger a pop-up window or a side panel that provides more detailed information about that appointment. This is where you can review all the details before proceeding with the cancellation. Now, look for the Cancel Appointment button within that pop-up or side panel. Clicking this will present you with a couple of options to choose from. If you only want to cancel a single occurrence of this recurring appointment, you would select Cancel this occurrence. However, if you've decided to cancel the entire series of appointments, then Cancel All Occurrences would be the option to go for. Finally, you'll need to confirm your choice. A prompt will typically appear to ensure you're 100% certain about canceling, whether it's just this instance or the entire series. This step helps prevent any accidental cancellations, so it's always good to double check that you've selected the correct option. That's it. You've successfully navigated the process of canceling a recurring appointment on Booksy. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your schedule and adjust it as needed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.